Hello, I'm delighted to tell you about our Karin Herzog Eye Contour cream. Made with 0.5% of oxygen, vitamin A and essential vitamins, it provides all the oxygenation and the hydration and the ingredients necessary for a smooth, deflated and refreshed eye contour from age 20. To have all the efficiency of the cream, it's very important to apply it correctly. You can apply the cream directly from the tube to your eye area as follows, and spread it over without massaging. You can even apply to the eyelids, but avoid applying the cream directly to the lashes or eyebrows, as this can lighten the color with time. You should wait 2 to 3 minutes for the cream to penetrate and provide all the essential elements it contains under the skin. It is important to bring the active ingredients necessary to produce collagen under the skin, where the cells are alive. When the oxygen penetrates, it activates a microcirculation that is very beneficial in reducing dark circles and bags under the eyes. The 2 to 3 minutes have passed. You can see that the cream has almost all penetrated. You can massage the rest and apply your sun protection cream on top and your loose powder for the final touch.